Battery-powered shotgun stick for the installation of wire clamp in life work. Easy installation and removal. Reduce manpower and ensure safety. The shotgun stick and the auxiliary stick are connected through the universal head, convenient to adjust the angle and facilitate the operation. Used with various types of wire clamps such as throat-shaped, ring-shaped, and S-shaped. When performing live work, no need manual fastening. Can be operated by remote control through battery, ensures safety operation. After wire clamp is successfully connected, easy withdraw the shotgun stick with one-click remote operation, saving time and labor. Battery operation, uniform pressure, remote control, one-click operation. Battery-powered shotgun stick.